We're heading over to Flooded Mine since it's right here. See what kind of weight it is, but heading into the Flooded Mine.
Let's see if the guns will work. Remember, they started in July. They get them all.
Country Prison County. How about I read right? County Prison Mine. Oh, I just missed the explosion over there. The Unlucky Silver Mine. No food or drinks beyond this point. We're heading in to the Flooded Mine. It's gonna get dark. We hit a line already. We got some fire lanterns in here. This is the queue line for the Flooded Mine.
How's he talking?
What's in here?
Need to find us a picture.
Talking picture. I hit the wrong button. There's the talking picture. Can't really hear him though. Almost made it to the flooded mine. Gotta go through this queue line. A little bit of a line today. Shooting boat game. Right on a boat, shooting targets. Inside the flooded mine. Get this boat hanging up here. Flooded mine boat. I guess that's one thing of standing in line. You get to see the queue line. There's a dude in a barrel over there. 3. We're going to be in the middle. Row 3. Boat 3. Boat 3 we are on. And then the boat is coming into the station. Our boat has arrived. It's coming in now.
We haven't went on this one in a while. Yep. It says 6, please keep 6 feet apart. That's when that virus was around. It was supposed to keep 6 feet apart. It goes to 0.
Whoa!
Oh, 0.
At least like
Did it reset, Clay?
This didn't reset.
Your gun didn't reset? Let's see if mine reset. Mine didn't reset either. There's the target you shoot. Heading into Flooded Mine. Everybody enjoy. Reset now? Show me that gun. Lower reset to 0.
Mine keeps going up.
Taylor, you want to try my gun? Clay, give me 5.
Oh, nice. Oh man, there's one down here too.
Flooded mine.
Time, man. Back one piece.
Thank you for riding the water slide.
Legs got it.
Just got off of the flooded mine. Now we're gonna go get the stroller. Heart Attack Hill we're going to? Oh no. Heart Attack Hill?
Down Heart Attack Hill.
The saloon's down Heart Attack Hill?
Yes, the saloon.
Okay.
Walk down Heart Attack Hill.
Well, they can get to it that way.
Zoom in a little bit. You might be able to see
that.
that
That way too.
waterfall over there. A little bit of ways from it, but I think it's picking it up. Waiting for Nana and Poppy to get their drinks, and then we're gonna go get our boba drink. Clay wants to go over here by the waterfall and eat his lunch, so that's what we're gonna do. Now we got the waterfall up close to it now. Oh yeah, we're opening. Just a little bit of a waterfall. We are heading to the saloon show now to get in line.
Now we're totally packed out and have a big long overflow line. I'm not sure where everybody is. Hey, let's get to know each other a little bit. We'll find out where everybody's from. I'm going to yell some states and you yell back if you're from that state. I'm going to start with the biggest state on the continental United States, not including Alaska, all right? Because usually there's a lot of them here and they're usually real loud. Anybody here from Texas? Yeah! There they are. Usually there's a mass of them and they're really, really loud. They'll go north of that. How about Oklahoma?
Wow.
Nobody from Oklahoma. What about Kansas? Yeah! There you go. Got a bunch of Jayhawkers, Wildcats, for sure sunflowers, right? There we go. Let's go north of that. What about Nebraska? No Cornhuskers here? How about Iowa? Let's drop down south then. How about Louisiana? There we go. Are you guys the Cajun kind or the northern kind? You're the Cajun and you're the northern kind. All right.
We had Alaska over there in the wheelchair.
Oh, got Alaska over there in the wheelchair. First time somebody told me they were from Alaska, they said they were from the North Pole, Alaska. I thought they were kidding. That was years ago. I went home and looked it up. There is a North Pole, Alaska. So. All right, how about Arkansas? Usually when we have Arkansas, we get this strange noise. They're called the Razorbacks. So usually they have that strange noise. Let's try Arkansas again. How about Arkansas? Good job, guys. Not as many of you here as normal. But like I said, normally we're packed out and have an overflow. How about Missouri? There you go. What about Illinois? Illinois than anywhere, all over the place. How about Indiana? Let's go up north. Any cheeseheads? Anybody Wisconsin? There we go. We got 2 cheeseheads here. All right. How about let's go up. Let's see if there's any Norwegians here. Swedish Norwegians. Anybody from Minnesota? There we go. Are you guys Norwegians? Swedish. I had a bunch over here too, right? You know some of your other states. Any other states?
Arizona.
Arizona, there you go, all right. All right, people, I want to welcome you to Silver Dollar City, welcome you to our Silver Dollar City Saloon. I do need to go over a couple safety items with you before we go in. Folks, number 1, if you need to use the restroom, we don't have any. I was looking around to see if anybody looked like they were hurting. Folks, the restroom's the second building right down there. If you go now, you can get back in time for the show. The reason I'm telling you that is because once the show starts, there's a lot of cowboys and saloon girls dancing around in the aisles. They're using strobe lighting. So if you do leave during the show, we're not allowed, I can't take you back in because of everything that's going on. Folks, a couple other safety items. They do use strobe lighting. Oh, and folks, they leave the bar open for about 5 minutes. They don't leave it open very long. They try to shut it down as quick as they can because they want to get the show started. But one of the items on the bar are peanuts. And folks, a lot of people go up to the bar, they grab a bag of peanuts, they'll take them back to their tables, they tear it open, they shell them, throw the shells on the floor. So there's a lot of peanut dust in the air. If you have any kind of an allergy for peanut dust, you won't want to go in, all right? People also, I've got to tell you, this is an 1880s saloon. Back in the 1880s, they didn't have a clue what plastic was. So they didn't know what credit cards were. It is a cash bar. If you want anything from the bar, it's a cash bar. If you don't have any cash, just look around and find some people that look real wealthy and get to know them. All right? All right, let me go ahead and introduce myself since I've been talking a little bit. For this festival, I go by the name Gold. That lady right there, that woman, that female, her actual real true name is Anna. So together we're the Golden Anniversary Welcoming Team. All right? For you kids, if you don't know what a Golden Anniversary is, that's 50 years. They've been performing in this theater longer than any other theater on the park. Shows change several times a year, but the theater's been open for 50 years and they've been performing in it now. All right, I did tell you, let me tell you what's going to happen here in a minute, folks. Folks, there's going to be a whole lot of saloon girls come out. They're going to greet you. They're going to kind of do what we did. They're going to say howdy to you. What we need you all to do, we need you to say howdy to us. That's going to be your line, all right? Now we're going to practice it one time out here. See how well you can do. I'm going to have this usher right here, her name's Anna. I'm going to have her pretend to be a saloon girl, all right? Now people, use your imagination.
Yeah, like a whole lot of the folks, because you're looking at a senior citizen, you're trying to imitate a young, beautiful saloon girl. That doesn't usually look too pretty, but folks, it could look something like this. Well, howdy, folks.
Howdy,
Oh, listen, people, I know this isn't normally we're packed out, but you can do a lot. The louder you are, folks, the better your show's going to be. We're going to try it again, really bellow it out. Howdy to us, as loud as you can possibly do it. We're going to have her try it again. Don't make us do it a third time. Here we go, really loud.
All right, a lot more imagination, more vocal cords. Let's try it one more time. Make it rock. Well, howdy, folks.
Oh, they did a lot better that time. You did a lot better that time. Oh, hey, people, I noticed a whole bunch of you when I said, you know, she's going to pretend to be a saloon girl and use your imagination. I noticed a whole bunch of you looked like you were really feeling sorry for her. I got to tell you, that lady is actually my wife. I've been married to that gal for 56 years. I know it. She is so lucky. Hey people, I do have to tell you though, that 56-year marriage has been a really good one. I'm going to tell you just one of the reasons why. All right? When we went to the church to do the vows, before we ever went in to do those vows, we went into a little room and we discussed who was going to make the decisions in our family. All right? Here's what we came up with. We decided I would make all the big decisions. We decided she would make all the little decisions. People, I want to tell you, our 56-year marriage has been a good one, but I also want to tell you, people, in those 56 years, there has never been a big decision. Anyway, okay, folks, I told you a little bit ago the bar will be open in about 5 minutes. they want to hurry it and close it because they want to get the show going. It is a cash bar. Let me go ahead and tell you what's on it. If you have one of those refill cups, you can get them refilled in there. They can also serve soft drinks. They'll have popcorn, peanuts. For you kids, they'll have cotton candy. It's what they need, right, Mom? Cotton candy. Oh, hey, people, they are known for their root beer floats. They've got the best root beer floats on the whole park. It's not like the ice cream that comes out of one of those fountain spigot things. It's like in tubs with big homemade ice cream. If you haven't had one of those root beer floats from a saloon, you've missed something because they are really good.
Sarah, you ready to see the show? Are you? Hey, you ready to see it?
Yes.
Yeah? We are heading in to see the saloon show.
Enjoy the show, everybody. Folks, if you want anything,
On our way in.
belly up there quick because it will shut it down quick. Enjoy the show. It's a fun show. Just behave yourself. Some of you look a little hungry. Smile like you. Yeah, you look hungry. You can't take the, if you're going to take a cowboy home, you come to the last show.
There you go.
We need it for the rest of the shows today. You guys all enjoy the show.
Saloon girls getting people's drinks down there. Drinks before the show. Popcorn, drinks, root beer floats.
Last call at the bar, folks. Thank you, bangers. Let's do a little jumping there, shall we? All right. How we all doing today? All right. Yeah, that's what I like to hear. I like popcorn, I like clothes, and I like a rowdy crowd the most. Let me hear y'all hoop and holler. Not go on. Let's get some celebrate. Hop on, moving up, hop on up. Let's get the place for the cats on me. Now cardiac kill on me. All right, and how about another hand for that super dollar band? Oh yeah. Woo. Well, howdy, folks. Oh, not bad, but we can do even better. I said, howdy, folks. Yeah, very nice. Well, welcome to the Silver Dollar Saloon. My name is Bart, and I'm the owner of this happy little establishment. And we're so happy to have you all here today to help us celebrate 50 years of music, dancing, and laughter right here in the Silver Dollar Saloon. And we've got quite a celebration show for y'all today. But first, I want to introduce you to the folks in charge of making our show great. First, perched high atop that dumbwaiter, our own technical genius, Miss Behaving. And working hard for y'all behind the bar is Miss Ivana Flo. And working our way over to the bandstand behind the drums, the lovely and talented Sin Melina. And tickling those ivories, hailing from the great KC Mo. Any KC fans in the house? Yeah. Well, don't get too excited, folks. That K does stand for Kimberland City. Fingers galore. And folks, where would we be without these beautiful silver dollar gals? First, that songbird of the South, it's Miss Georgia. Next, the spunky and vivacious Miss Jo. The feisty but sweet Miss Belle. And last, but certainly not least, our own wacky whisker ding-a-ling, it's Miss Tilly. Well, folks, at this time, the bar is closed. And like I said, we're so happy to be celebrating 50 years here at the Silver Dollar Saloon. Why, in fact, I have even commissioned a sign for the occasion, all the way from New York City. Indeed. Hey, Belle, would you do us the honors? Are you kidding me? Ooh, I knew those two shysters could not be trusted. I paid good money to the production team of Roots and Coons to get us this here sign and to produce this year's 50th celebration show.
And we ain't seen hide nor hair of them. Just a sign that won't light. What a rip-off.
Yeah, that's exactly what I was thinking.
Well, thank you, ladies. Perhaps it's time for y'all to head backstage and get ready for the show.
Sure, Mark.
All right, thank you. Well, folks, we'll get right to that show, but first, a few announcements. First of all, there are 4 exits in the saloon. There's 2 on that side and 2 on this side. Now, the 2 on that side are for emergency use only, so please don't use those during or after the show. After the show's over, folks up in the balcony can exit through that door right up there, and y'all down here on the main level can exit through those double doors you just came through. And when you do leave, we sure would appreciate it if you take with you any cups, napkins, straws, or popcorn boxes and place them in the trash receptacle right outside the doors. Also, we will be using a strobe lighting effect in today's show. Well, folks, I can promise you a good show, but I can guarantee y'all a great show if you hoop. This year's 50th celebration show.
The very ones.
Well, you're late.
What?
According to the contract y'all mailed me, you were supposed to be here last week, and that sign...
Well, we're here now, we're ready to go. And of course, you being the professional that you are, surely you can follow a script and take simple stage directions.
Well, of course.
How simple? Look, Bert.
No, it's Bart.
Whatever. There's a great part for you in the show. Now, you have done comedy before, haven't you?
Done comedy. I was born funny.
Yeah, naked.
It looks like we're singing Paganini.
No.
Paganini. Paganini. Oh, page 9. Sorry.
Okay, let's get started then,
Yep,
shall we?
yes.
Fabian, you take the girls backstage.
What? No, wait a minute. I'm not so sure about
Why don't you just let me do what I do?
It's Bart.
Oh,
Yeah.
right. Well, tomato, potato, you know what they say? It is never.
Tomato, potato. No, no one says that.
I say that.
Oh.
I say that.
Okay, good for you.
That's mean. You're mean.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, now I need you to sing this song. Great, okay.
Oh.
Okay.
Well then.
Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay. I just needed the one. I appreciate your enthusiasm.
let's see. This one happens to be an old favorite. Figures, you know this one, don't you?
I remember it.
All right, well, let's give it a shot. It had to be you. It had to be you. I wandered around and finally found you. Whoa, hold it. Hey, Fabian, you're interrupting my song here, and what do you think you're doing?
Your sign ain't lit up, and you ain't bothering me none. Go ahead with your little ditty, that's fine.
Okay, well, I don't think the sign works. I think y'all sold us a defective one.
That's nonsense, Bernard. Just let me look at it, all right? It's no...
Fabian, hey, run along. I can see you.
I was just trying to fix it.
Ah!
Miss Bruce, listen to me now. Go. I gotta go buy a valve.
Okay.
Okay, well, this is not what I had in mind when I hired you to produce our 50th celebration show.
Okay, look, Brett. Fabian can be a bit of an acquired taste, but I think you're really gonna like what I've worked up for the girls.
Oh.
All I gotta do now is come up with just the right introduction.
Easy.
Fabian! You scared me.
I scared you? Uh-oh. Good thing I'm wearing a raincoat.
Does that help?
Depends.
Wow.
You know what I'm talking about. But a sneeze will change your life.
Okay, all right. Look, I need to help Brad here with the big introduction.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
well, look, I'll take care of those introductions, but I could use your help if you can really get that sign working.
Well, yeah, I know I can. See, I saw that your main trunk line, it goes up this way and that way, but then look at this. It goes right along this here catwalk. Well, I'm thinking you got a herd of feral cats. Probably chewing on your flux capacitors.
Or maybe there's just a bulb out upstairs.
Sure. I got that problem too.
Could you just go up and fix it for me?
Well, no problem, Bob. Get up!
My name is Bart. Okay. Well, folks, at this time, we would like to feature the lovely Miss Roots and the Silver Dollar Gal.
I'm gonna scale the mountains for me. I'm gonna dream and reach far.
Well, there you are. You know, no, bad kitty. What a... Help! I'm falling, and I can't get up.
It's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining men. Amen, it's raining men. Hallelujah, it's raining. Amen, it's raining men.
Woo! All right, how'd that go for you, Fabian?
Yeah, I think I tweaked my ab.
Just the one?
Yeah, I only got one. Only six-pack I got, they wouldn't let me bring in the park.
What? Hey, I thought I hired y'all to provide a cultured experience.
Oh, a cultured experience.
He wants culture?
Yeah.
Buddy boy, we got your culture.
That's right. You wait. Right there.
Yeah, okay. Well, folks,
Oh.
many of you have...
She said stay right there. Back up just a little bit.
Okay.
Fabian, what are you doing?
I'm staying right here.
Okay, he's paddling hard, but the dinghy ain't moving.
You going camping?
Well, folks, as many of you know, this year marks the 50th anniversary of the Silver Dollar Saloon Show, and many of you have been along for the ride. Throughout the years, we have enjoyed the antics of Carrie Nation and her Raiders and Wild West heroes such as Choctaw Charlie, Mean Murphy, Buffalo Fred, and the Buffalo Gals, and Sagebrush Sadie. But the one thing that remains constant through all those saloon shows has been the laughs and the memories. Charlie would prance, and round the bandstand singing crazy tunes to the moon, 'cause it's all right here in the saloon. No.
Guess what?
What?
The culture has arrived. That's right. Hello.
Hello.
Wah, wah. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, we only practiced this once.
Oh,
So,
okay,
buckle up.
All right, well, folks, I'm sure we're in for a real treat here. Please welcome to the stage Fabian and Miss Roots.
Culture shock, huh?
Yes. Hey, what do you call this?
Ballet.
All right.
It's culture.
Right.
What horse? Please! There are horses in fast.
You gotta stand still.
I think I broke my leg.
What?
You're gonna have to shoot me.
No. These people did not pay good money to see this.
They didn't pay nothing to get in here.
Well,
Come on, get up now.
Let's go.
Let's go, Miss Roots.
this is the culture.
Whoa! That's the worst case of pink eye I've ever seen.
Well, thanks.
Okay, hey, the bow. We gotta do the bow.
Oh,
Come on, practice this one.
namaste. Okay.
Well, I'm namasteing either.
Fabian and Miss Roots, everyone. Well, folks, I think it's time for some real dancing, so please help me welcome back to the stage the Silver Dollar Gals, here to do the world famous can-can. Oh, yeah!
That was a big ending. It was like, peekaboo!
Cut it out.
I mean, good job. Oh, hey, Bart.
For the last time, my name is Bart. Oh, well, you got it. My name is Bart.
Well, Bart, I think you got yourself a dandy show.
Well, thanks, but what about this sign? I still want that big.
Bart, I fixed it. Yep, got up there and did it. Miss Tilly, go ahead and flip the flopper.
Hey.
Wait a minute. Would this have something to do with it?
Whoa, Fabian.
Well, that ain't my fault now.
Okay, well then.
Hey.
It goes in the outlet there.
Okay.
Everybody hold your horses just the same. Here, we gotta get up there and
There we go.
I can't see.
Oh, but now my mirror is broken.
You are worried about a broken mirror. I'm worried about a broken Fabian.
I got my hand stuck in the pot.
Yeah.
Come here. We'll get down to that.
It's stuck.
Oh,
Well, thank you very much.
well, that's funny. Well, hey, this sign is just what I ordered. Thank you.
Well, you're welcome, Bart. And you know what? I have a feeling that this is the beginning of a beautiful partnership.
Oh.
Take us home, band. Take us out.
Make a mind, make a mind. Don't you know everyone wants to ride? My dad said be an actor, my son. Thank you very much, folks, for joining us and helping us celebrate 50 years here at the Silver Dollar Saloon. We hope y'all enjoy the